Welcome to Rescate Wildlife Rescue Center, the largest wildlife rehabilitation center in Central America. From monkeys to macaws, snakes to sloths, we are dedicated to conserving Costa Rica's wildlife. There are 5 important pillars to our wildlife conservation approach: the wildlife hospital, release sites, education program, lifetime care sanctuary, and breeding programs. Rescate's Rehabilitation Center and Wildlife Hospital, on average, intakes over 3,000 sick or injured animals each year. With over 30 years of experience in rehabilitating and releasing wildlife, we've made a huge impact. Our hospital's veterinarians are everyday heroes, treating the smallest baby skunk to massive pythons. Using our laboratory, X-ray machine, and other life-saving equipment, the clinic is always busy. Found a monkey with a broken femur? He's going to be climbing in no time. A macaw with clipped wings? She's going to fly again soon. With animal rehabilitation, the goal is always to release. At Rescate Wildlife, we have 3 different release sites, each with a different climate and habitat to accommodate a range of species. These sites combine to offer over 1,800 acres of protected land, which is vital in protecting our natural biodiversity and giving our animals a safe place to return back to the wild. We've released over 25,000 animals since beginning our mission in 1989. But what happens if the patients in the clinic are not candidates for release? The vets consider each animal on a case-by-case basis, and if the injuries are too severe to be released, they find refuge in our lifetime care sanctuary. Sometimes the animals brought in were confiscated illegal pets or former zoo animals that are too accustomed to humans. These animals become ambassadors at our site in Alajuela. Visitors can come, enjoy, and learn about what Costa Rican wildlife has to offer. Because the enclosures are spacious and designed to mimic natural habitats, it can sometimes be quite a challenge to spot the animals. We understand visitors are eager to see them all, but we prioritize the animals' welfare so they're not obligated to be on display all the time. This site is also a home base for our education program. While all that we do is important, empowering others to amplify conservation efforts extends our impact. From school visits to universities to the general public, learning is vital to caring. As part of our approach to conservation, we also work with endangered species. In the relentless battle against overhunting, illegal pet trade, and deforestation, our breeding programs provide critical support to the critically endangered. We begin with animals who have been rendered unfit for direct release into the wilderness. Because many can still procreate, we can still release their young into the wild. Each creature born here represents a beacon of hope and symbolizes a potential resurgence in their population. We take a holistic approach to wildlife conservation with our wildlife hospital, release sites, education program, sanctuary, and breeding programs. Through these efforts, we not only save individual animals, but also work towards a grander vision: to restore the intricate web of life that defines our world's most precious jungles.